read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lesson is about number 20. Expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected to count, identify and trace numbers up to 20. Order and sequence numbers to 20. Before starting our lesson, we will visualize to the students notes of 10. Two notes of 10. 10 and 10 make 20. Which number is this? 20. You could visualize note of 20 as well. Okay, how many rupee are there in my hand? 20 rupee. It's 20 rupee note. Okay. You could use 20 stones and coins. It's very interesting way to count the objects and to teach numbers through counting of different objects. So look over here, 20 blocks build big, bright buildings. Now student will pretend to stack blocks high and build imaginary buildings. After that, you will show this image to the students. They will count these blocks. These are 20 blocks. So, now we will count 20 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 coins. How many coins are there? 20 coins. Okay, after showing different objects, developing the sense of counting, we will teach how to trace it. We already know about number 2 and 0, but we have to teach it again. Start from the dot, make a cap, slant down, sleeping line. It will make number 2. Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. It will make number 0. 2, 0, 20. 10 and 10 make 20. Very good. Same like that, you will teach in the class to the students. I hope so. You will follow this way of teaching. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.